Hello everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another tutorial, how to export contacts. So exporting your contacts, maybe you want to send them an email or you want to get their names and their contacts. So this is how to go about it. So come to your home page, click on this me, then you go to settings and privacy. So when you get to this page, go to data privacy. When you get to data privacy, get a copy of your data. So you click on this, add data, my data. Just read through. Make sure you read through. Right. So I just click on data, then I'll request for that. So download my data. Your LinkedIn data belongs to you. And you can download and archive anytime or view to which media. Your request to download larger data archive, including connections, verification, and contacts action history. So just make sure your LinkedIn is connected, your email is connected to the LinkedIn. They will definitely send it to you.